Let's take a look at displaying and modifying workbook content in different views. And there's a lot that could cover a lot of different options, so we're obviously not going to look at everything. Now, this is the, let me move this up here, and you can go to the View tab, and here's the workbook views up here. So the normal, page break, page layout, or you can create a custom view. The same options are down here. If I put my mouse over that in the bottom right hand corner, it says normal, page layout, and page break. The normal is what we're used to working with here. So adding something here is just simply, if you want to insert something, you could insert an item here. So nothing too exciting on that. Now, in order to show the next one, the page layout, and also the page break preview, I'm going to click in A1 and drag over and then go down quite a few lines. Go down right there. Now if I go to page layout, we got our print area right here. This is under the page setup. Go to print area, and there's set print area. Now if I come down here to the page layout, this shows you what it's going to look like when it prints. And this, to add an item like a header, I can click up here and say, let's see, my creation. And click over there. Now, for this right here, then, I've just added an element. Now, if I go to the next one, page break preview, this gives you a lot smaller view of it. And if you come down here, this little dashed line is where your page breaks are. And so you can click on that and drag it up and move it up. So it'll do a page break after this many lines. Now that's beneficial. So that if you're trying to get your page breaks just right instead of doing it manually, you can look at it and see it. Now down here, this is zoomed at 60. I can make it bigger. It depends on if you how much of it you want to see on the screen at one particular time. Now let me come over here. Give some exam tips here, and this is ChatGPT, so you can go out there and ask for this particular topic. What's some exam tips? And it says we should be expected to switch to a specific view. Well, I just showed you how to do that. Switch between the views. I'll set back to normal. Actually, you should be able to insert and modify content in that view, like headers. You should be able to adjust page breaks. We showed that. And then understand which view shows what. So this one is just your normal display of the data, just in kind of raw format, so you can work with it easily. This one is how it's going to print, and that gives you access to your headers and your footers. And this one allows you to control. It's kind of based upon printing too. It allows you to look at the page breaks and adjust those accordingly.